Okay, so it was definitely a problem with first and foremost, this hose was loose, and it had moved up as a result of being loose. Why was it loose? Well, here we are. Two rusted hose clamps. This one almost snapped right there, and did snap right here when I was adjusting it, testing it out. Maybe might put it back on, but they both just snapped. And I'm like, okay, well, these are junk, and that's what the problem was. These were loose, and because of that, this hose became loose. So what I've done is I've kept two hose clamps that were good quality ones, and I replaced the two rusted ones with two new, I don't know if you can see that, it says 304 stainless steel. So still looks ugly, still probably gonna need to replace this rubber hose because it kind of looks a little on the thin side. I think these rubber hoses are supposed to be like 6 layers, I read, and this does not look like 6 layers. So in any case, the leak is still substantial. It's still pretty quick, but it has decreased to a manageable level at least. And so in the process of moving this all down and putting it back where it's supposed to be, I got exposure to the prop, and it's only 1 inch. I mean, it's like barely an inch. But the prop itself, I was able to get a measurement, appears to be 1 inch in diameter. So the next step is, of course, to loosen this nut from this, I think it's it's not a nut, they're both, this is a different name than this one. This is the packing house. This is, I forget the name of this nut, but anyway, to loosen these, pull out a piece of stuffing, at least one, to prep on what's in there, and then get a measurement of what it is. Although I'm betting, based off of the 1 inch prop diameter, that I'm going to be using 1/4 inch packing material. So that will be next.